Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my visit is about Tanda Dam. We are here with friends. See the water level of Tanda Dam. It was constructed late in 1970 in Ayub Khan era, which is basically for the purpose of irrigation. It is a beautiful dam located at west side of Kohat district for the purpose of irrigation. The water level has also been increased and grown to up level, which is a basic need of life. See the surrounding areas of the dam. The beautiful hills of the dam area can be seen easily. It is greenish because of water storage and level. Here it is. The water capacity of the dam is about very high. ये देख लो खूबसूरत डैम, जेल की खूबसूरत व्यू आप देख सकते हैं। बेहतरीन डैम देख लो, इसकी व्यू देख लो। खूबसूरत डैम जो इरिगेशन पर्पस के लिए बनाई गई है। दोस्तों के साथ हम आए हैं, ये देख लो
فيلم تنص كوكب درويجي اي يو شاروخان ده کس بولو ده کنه هغه دې داس چلو کی کنه چاولات کې باندې اسو شو دا اخبار پرول کنه دای جی یو اولات کې یو غوي سره ګونجې ونی کنه تور دې داس چلو کی چې ګونجې کولا کنه اوس دې سره پوسا